start by spreading our peanut butter on our bread, and you are going to need soft white bread, and we are using challah bread. And this is going to be a sandwich, so you can use as many pieces as you'd like, just make sure you have 2. And now we're just going to top it off with some thinly sliced bananas. Just press down on the edges. You're going to prepare a skillet with some butter. So while your butter is melting, we are going to take 3 eggs, and you can go ahead and just add more eggs if you need. And you're going to take 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon per egg. And give it a whisk. And now you get to dip your sandwich, but just a little bit because you don't want it to get too soggy. You want to cook them for about 2 minutes on each side, not until they're brown. You want to wait until they're nice and golden. Top it off with some powdered sugar.